Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by making the GPU accessible and safe. Power down and unplug the system, then ground yourself. Once done, remove the card carefully and set screws aside in order. You need tools at hand: a precise screwdriver, a spudger, high-quality thermal paste around 0, 5 mm application thickness, and 90% plus isopropyl alcohol. This reduces contamination and ensures reliable transfer of heat. Make sure to work in good light and a dust-free area so you don't reintroduce thermal barriers. Next, you tackle the thermal interface. Remove the shroud and heatsink carefully, watching for cables and delicate sensors. Once open, clean the GPU die and cooler contact surfaces thoroughly using 90% plus isopropyl and lint-free wipes until no residue remains. Then apply a thin, even layer of thermal paste roughly 0, 5 mm thick, spread or dot according to die size so heat conducts effectively. This step is crucial because old or insufficient paste traps heat. When done properly, finally you reassemble the card and verify results. Seat the heatsink evenly and tighten screws in a diagonal pattern to the manufacturer's torque if known. Once reinstalled, power on and monitor idle and load temperatures. Expect a 5 to 15 degrees C improvement, and ideally under 70 degrees C under heavy load. If temperatures remain high, make sure the paste coverage and seating are correct. Confirm case airflow and fan curves, and if necessary, repeat cleaning. This troubleshooting tip fixes most residual issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.